August 15th, the stock playbook. Okay, just a little sample of what we do on a nightly basis. We got a nice tradable rally here that hopefully helped everybody make back a big chunk of what they lost over the last couple of weeks. Dow Jones was up 213 points today, 1.9%. NASDAQ Composite rose 47 points, also 1.9%. S&P 500 was the big winner, up 25 points, 2.2%. There's money to be made in this market. You just got to know where to look. ZAGG, Z-A-G-G, killed it today. Earnings came in at 19 cents. Consensus was 11 cents, beat by 8 cents. Revenues, they were looking for 23, 24 million, came in at 38 million, up 157% from last year. Hit a new high before reversing, depending on which options or if you bought the stock on the pullback. A nice run from ZAGG. We continue to like the stock longer term. Hard for me to tell you to buy it up here at 15 when we were buying this thing when it was under 2. But ZAGG looks good. Another home run today, Motorola Mobility. We say it often, but not often enough. Much better to be lucky than good. We had the August options because we had this stock into earnings. We caught this run on the news of Carl Icahn establishing a position. We liked it as an earnings play. We liked it as an undervalued stock. We specifically highlighted probably 5 or 6 times for our subscribers their patent portfolio. Today, Google shared in that enthusiasm. The stock went up 56%. For those of our subscribers that were continuing to sit on the $25 calls, which we picked up as an earnings play, they made in excess of 1,200% return. Again, it wasn't on my doing. We did like the stock. We did like it as an earnings play, but like I always say, always better to be lucky than good. And Carbonite, C-A-R-B, our listeners and subscribers, we flagged this day one at $11 and change. We picked it up some at $12. Today, now up better than 25% from our entry level, $15.07. This company provides an encrypted online cloud storage platform for automated data backup for both consumers and businesses. Really like this IPO. Would not chase it up here. I'd like to see it pull back, if the market rolls over. And speaking of, we think we're at the latter stages of this bounce. I think we might have, a half a day at best. Ultimately, I think we have to go back down to the 1100 level on the S&P. Test there. We'll see if we hold. If we do, then maybe we could go ahead and start buying again, but I'm not sure if we will. But ultimately, it's going to come down to what happens in Europe tomorrow with Sarkozy and Merkel meeting. I think good news could be sold, as buy the rumor, sell the news. Bad news will get sold off. So I still believe the path of least resistance is lower. That's it for the stock playbook for tonight. Have a good night. I'll talk with you tomorrow.